Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with two essential prerequisites: administrator rights and the exact folder path. Open an elevated command prompt now and run takeown to claim ownership recursively. This removes the ownership barrier that causes access denied. Once done, run iCackles to grant the administrator's group full control and propagate changes to child items. Make sure each command reports successful entries. If you see access denied on takeown, reboot to safe mode and repeat those same two commands immediately. Next, address attributes and finer permission quirks that block operations. Clear read-only, system, and hidden flags with a trib so the file system stops denying changes. Then check for EFS encryption. Use Cipher to decrypt if you own the key. If GUI is easier, open Properties right arrow Security right arrow Advanced, replace owner on subcontainers, and enable inheritance. Once changed, run iCackles again to verify ACEs. These steps fix stubborn deny ACEs and attribute locks that survive a simple ownership change. Finally, apply and verify the result. Restart Explorer or reboot so handle locks clear and new ACLs take effect. Try moving or deleting the folder. For large structures, use robocopy with /move or rmdir/s/q to force removal. If access remains denied, boot into Windows Recovery Environment and remove the folder from a command prompt there, or restore from backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if antivirus or third-party locking tools are involved, disable them temporarily before retrying. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.